Alright, in the previous video, we've solved question number 1 to question number 40. In this video, we'll be looking at question number 41 to question number 45. Let's get started. Now, question number 41. You are given that the two opposite sides of a rectangle are this and this. Let's sketch the diagram. This is a rectangle. The two opposite sides are 5x plus 3 meter and then 2x plus 9 meter, and the adjacent side is 6x minus 7. We have 6x minus 7 here. Remember, this is going to be 6x minus 7 too. Now, the question answer is that we have to find the area of the rectangle. Remember that one of the properties of a rectangle is that the two opposite sides are equal. So from these two lengths given, we can conclude that 5x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 9. So from here now, we can find the value of x. 5x minus 2x is equal to 9 minus 3. When you collect the like times, we're going to have 3x is equal to 9 minus 3. That's going to be 6. So x is equal to 6 divided by 3, which is equal to 2. If x is 2, we just need to put the value of x in each of these. So if x is 2, this is going to be 5 times 2, 10 plus 3. So which means this side is 13. And this side is going to be 6 times 2, that is 12 minus 5, minus 7. This is going to be 5. Likewise, 4 plus 9, 13, you see, they are equal. And if you want to calculate the area of this rectangle now, area is equal to length and breadth. The length is 13 multiplied by what's the breadth, which is 5, and 13 times 5 will give us I think 65 meter square, 65 meter square. So that is your final answer. For question number 41, the final answer is option B, which is 65. That is your answer. Let's continue to question number 42 in the next video. All right, on to question number 42. Question number 42 is on probability. You have to calculate the probability of getting a prime number when a die is tossed. Remember that in probability, the formula is the number of occurrence over number of possible outcomes. Here now, the possible outcome is 1 to 6 because we are dealing with a die here. And then the probability of getting a prime number is the number that we have here. There are 2, 3, and 5. 1 is not a prime number. Don't make mistake of adding 1 to it. The number of occurrence for prime number that we have is number of occurrence of prime over number of expected outcome. So this is going to be the prime number that we have there. There are 3 divided by 6. And when you do this, you are going to get half, which means 1 over 2 is the answer to question number 42, which is option A. Now to question number 43. Question number 43, you are given the area of a sector with a circle of radius. You are given the radius to be equal to 7 centimeter. The area of a sector, 51.3 centimeter square. And you have to calculate the angle of the sector, which is theta. This is very simple and straightforward. My vocabulary of calculating the area of a sector is theta over 360 multiplied by pi r square, and we are given the area already to be equal to 51.3 is equal to theta over 360 multiplied by, you are given pi to be equal to 22 over 7 multiplied by the radius, which is 7 square. And then from here now, we can have our theta, when you make it the subject of the formula, is going to be 51.3 multiplied by 360 multiplied by 7 divided by 22 multiplied by 7 square. And when you press your calculator, you are going to get theta to be equal to 119.922, which is approximately equal to 120 degrees. So that is the final answer for question number 43. For question 43, the final answer is option B, which is 120 degrees. Let's move to question number 44. All right, on to question number 44. Question number 44 is on angle of depression. You are given that a cliff on the back of a river is 87-meter high. Let's sketch the diagram for this. Let's say this is the height of the cliff, which is 87 meter. On the back of river, this is 22 away. There is a boat on the river, which is 22 meter away from the foot of the cliff. You can do something like this, 22 meter away from the foot of the cliff. We have to calculate the angle of depression of the boat from the top of the cliff. Angle of depression of the boat from the top of the cliff, we have to calculate this particular angle. And since this line and this line, they are parallel, so this is going to be theta 2. So to calculate angle theta, remember this is a 90 degree. So this is the opposite, and here is the adjacent. To calculate the relation between the opposite and adjacent, that is tan. So I'm going to have tan theta is equal to opposite, which is 87 meter over 22 meter. And to calculate your theta, this is going to be arctan over 87 over 22. This is arctan. When you press your calculator, you are going to have 3.9545, and the arctan of this one is going to give you 75.8 degree, which is approximately equal to 76 degree. That is the final answer for question number 44. For question number 44, the final answer is option A, 76 degree. Let's move to question number 45.